Flipper Dave here, and I'm back with part 2 of fixing and flipping a broken lawnmower. Turns out we don't have to take the engine apart, we don't have to replace the rings, and here's why. The oil that was burning was really just overfilled. I mowed with the lawnmower, the smoke cleared up eventually, checked the level, it was fine, there's no smoking anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and go outside, start it up, show you that everything's good. We're gonna clean it up and I'll show you how to inspect everything and list it on Facebook Marketplace. So as you can see, it runs great and absolutely no smoke. So we're just going to do a little bit of a walk around here, final inspection, check for leaks around the fuel tank and the fuel line leading to the carburetor. Everything looks dry. Come around to the front, look at the deck, make sure there's no cracks or holes. Check the carburetor bowl for leaks, and we did that job so we know it's done right. Check the handles, make sure they're all straight and nothing's bent. I like to lift up the chute, make sure that the springs are working good. Check the oil level, and it looks pretty good. It was overfilled, but it burned all off. Now I like to check the wheels and make sure that everything's secure, nothing's got too much play in it, and the wheels look good. I like to turn the mower over and take a look at the blade, and as you can see, this thing is in really rough condition. It definitely needs to be sharpened. I don't have an angle grinder on me right now, and I really don't feel like doing it, so I'm just going to reflect that in the price of the mower. It seems to be straight, nothing's too bent, so it still cuts, just needs to be sharpened. It's been obviously dinged up real bad. Make sure all the placards are visible, because you're going to want to post those on Facebook Marketplace when you go to post this, so people know exactly what they're buying. Just look around, make sure everything's functional, everything's tight. I like to go ahead and take these off and make sure that it actually folds up for the customer when they come to pick it up, because sometimes they will be putting it in the trunk of their car. And then when I go to post it, I like to take pictures of all angles, making sure to get the placards of the part number, the model number, all of that good stuff, the brand, what type of engine's on it, and a detailed description. And that is how you do a simple inspection of a push mower. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Go ahead and click subscribe if you're new. Leave a comment so I can learn something from you guys, and I hope you learn something from me. There's going to be a lot more videos coming soon. I've got a riding mower outside that we're going to work on for next week's video. And I've already got some parts coming in for that. So that's going to be a really awesome video. And thanks for watching.